Hey family, this is Simply Jess. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Family, you know what it is. It's Sunday cleaning at this Section 8 house. I'm about to clean my refrigerator. But welcome guys. Let's go. I got some bleach pine-all, a little bit of vinegar and baking soda in here. That's what I'm doing now. I told y'all guys I clean every day. Every day I clean. Every single day I clean this house. But shout out to somebody in the comments. I forgot her name. Him or her. I don't know who it is. But shout out for giving me the products I should use for the mouses. I am going to go to Home Depot and I am going to buy some baking soda and some vinegar and make my own cocktail to spray around the outside door and the inside door for these mices. But shout out to the people in the comments that's uplifting me and just spreading positive energy, because that's what I need right now. I'm trying to do everything I try to do myself, or on my own. I am gonna make a video about me changing the doorknob. Once again, I changed the battery in the smoke alarm and it's still going off. So I don't know at this point, but I'm gonna try to get up there again and see what's going on. Why does it keep chirping? Because I got a new battery in there. So come on guys. So I have to a little closer to the shoulder. I hope everybody is having a blessed Sunday, guys. I'm trying not to stress over here because I have a lot going on. So I hope all y'all is having a very blessed Sunday. And thank you for all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the comments and I love y'all so much. Now today is cleaning day. Stripping the whole house. And I'm just gonna clean. I got the clothes in the washer. And I'm clean today.